The 1960 Pontiac Ventura, known as the Golden Indian, is one of the most distinctive custom cars of its era, a masterpiece built by the legendary Alexander brothers, Larry and Mike, for 18-year-old Mike Budnick of Detroit, Michigan. Budnick purchased his brand-new black Ventura in August 1960, equipped with a 389 tri-power V8 and a 4-speed transmission. Inspired by another Pontiac customized by the Alexanders, he brought his own car to their Detroit shop in early 1961. The build would take a year and a half to complete, progressing as Budnick's budget allowed. The Alexander brothers transformed the Ventura into a bold, futuristic custom. Every panel except the roof was reworked. The front bumper was removed, the lower pan rolled, and the fenders were reshaped to meet the pan. The hood corners were welded to the fenders, the doors were rounded, and all factory trim and handles were shaved. The brothers tunneled a quad-headlight setup with chrome bezels, replacing the stock grille with a handmade tubular design featuring 7 horizontal bars. Dual antennas were Frenched into the driver's door, and the rear was completely redesigned with a custom grille, rolled pan, and half-moon taillights. The body was finished in a luminous lemon-lime candy paint that made the car glow under show lights. Inside, Ray's custom trim created a space-age interior featuring 4 bucket seats in pearl white naugahyde and a full-length surfboard-style center console. Gold carpeting and a 1963 Pontiac steering wheel completed the futuristic look. The Ventura was lowered 8 inches by seeing the frame and modifying the suspension. The Golden Indian debuted at the 1963 Detroit Autorama and appeared on the cover of Rod & Custom magazine the same year. Over the decades, it changed hands several times and fell into disrepair, known at one point as the White Ghost. In 1987, Lou Calasibetta of Old Stillwater Garage in New Jersey purchased the car and began a meticulous restoration. Using a rust-free Catalina as a donor, his team recreated much of the custom bodywork and matched the original candy lime gold paint using a sample found under the rear window trim. Completed in 2002, the restored Golden Indian returned to the Detroit Autorama, exactly 40 years after its debut, with both Mike Budnick and the Alexander brothers in attendance. The car remains one of the finest surviving examples of 1960s American custom craftsmanship, representing the height of Detroit's golden age of creativity and individuality on 4 wheels.